Hi, in this video I continue discussing new options and features in the new major version of Inkscape, and I'm going to be discussing the new option located in the node tool over here, which allows us to insert node at min x, insert node at max x, at min y and at max y. And if you're wondering what the x and y stands for, x is the horizontal axis and y is the vertical axis, and the x goes from left to right and the direction of the y is from bottom to top. Now, to demonstrate how these options work, I'm going to grab the text tool and type the letter O. With the selecting transform tool, I'm going to make it bigger. Then back to the node tool, I'll use this option to convert the selected object to path. Then click over here and I'm going to select this node, remove it with the delete key. I'll remove this one as well, this one and this one. I did this just so I can demonstrate how each of these options work. Next, I'm going to click and drag like this to select these two nodes. Click on the option over here, and we can only insert nodes in the segment which is in between these two nodes, and there is nothing on the left, there is nothing on the right, and also these two nodes are the lowest point of the segment, so there is nothing below them as well, which means that we cannot use the insert node at min and max x, because on the vertical axis, like I said, there's nothing before this node, there's nothing after this node, and we cannot use the min y because the nodes are the lowest point of the segment. We can only use the max y option, and if you try to use any of the other, you click and nothing will happen. But if you use the max y option, you'll see that the node was inserted. Let's try it now with these two nodes over here. I'm going to select them, click over here, and again there's nothing on the left, nothing on the right, and nothing above these nodes. This time the segment is below them, so we can use only the min y option to insert the node over here. Now let's go ahead and select these two nodes, click on the option, and this time we won't be able to use the y axis options because there is nothing above this node, there is nothing below this one, also there is nothing on the right. We cannot use the max x option, we can only use the min x option. If we click, you see that the node was created, and for this segment we can only use the max x option. Let's click on that and the node was created. I'm going to click and drag and delete this one, grab the handle over here and move it like this. Then I'm going to click over here and select again these two nodes. Up until now, because the curves were symmetrical, the segments were symmetrical, the node was always created in the middle, but the purpose of this option is to insert node at the maximum x, minimum x, or minimum y, or maximum y, which if you try to do manually it will be a lot more difficult. But now with this option available, if I go ahead and select the max y here, you'll see that the node was created at the maximum, or in other words at the highest point of the segment over here, which can be very useful when editing with the node tool. At first these options can be a little bit tricky to understand, but as you can see there's nothing difficult, and I hope this video helped in understanding them. And if it did, like it, leave me a comment, visit my channel for more. If you're new, subscribe. Also, you can visit my GIMP tutorials channel, the link is in the description, for photo editing tutorials. And that's it for this one. Bye.